Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm making this video for ALEC 302, obviously. Okay, so my name's Jessica Safaric. I'm a sophomore at UNL. Currently, my major is hospitality, restaurant, and tourism management, and I have a business minor and a leadership and communication minor. I'm also thinking about double majoring with AdPR, and I'm taking the intro class for that right now. So we'll see about that. And this picture of me, I am in Chicago, and I added that because I really like to travel. So I'm taking a 302 because it's a requirement for my leadership and communications minor. However, I really like ALEC classes because they provide certain skills that I want to be able to obtain elsewhere, such as learning to adapt to different leadership styles. And I like how this class just gives us some practice for that for our future work environment. So an interesting concept from this week. I thought it was interesting to take the personality test. I thought I already knew my result from that, but I ended up getting a different one, which surprised me. My future career goal. A lot of things are up in the air for me right now. I'd love to work for a big event center and plan cool events like concerts and festivals. However, there are so many options for me right now that nothing is set in stone because hospitality is so diverse and there's so many different things you can do. And with AdPR, I also want to do something with that, so we'll see. An interesting fact about me, I work at Campus Recreation on City Campus. I work in the gym, so if you guys go there, I've probably seen you around. And yeah, come say hi if you want. Okay, thank you.